In this episode, we're going to take a drive around the Calgary area and look at some condos that we've been asked to be involved with by some property managers who tell me that they've got some problems. And we're going to try and fix these problems. But in the meantime, we're just going to try and keep my feet on the ground so we know exactly what's going on here. And now that I've landed, we're going to talk about some of the issues that's on this building. The condo property manager asked me to come take a look at this particular problem in this condo complex. What is happening on this roof is that there's ice damming, plus the downspouts are draining onto the existing roofing shingle membranes. This is causing quite a problem for water to actually get into the condos. What we need to do to fix this problem is we need to redesign everything so that it works properly and the ice damming actually disappears. This next condo we're going to show you is a multi-unit condo complex. Mending Homes looks after and maintains condos from this size all the way down to single-family dwellings. With this building, the architect designed this building with multitudes of decking, parapets, and pillars that really look good, but in the long run are holding water that's causing building problems throughout every level of this building. What we need to look at is some of the drainage ideas and some of the products that they're using that allow the water to remove itself from the building area, i.e. some of these decks are fairly leaking and holding water because they're like a bathtub. In some areas that we've got decking parapets and flat roofs, we have problems that water is just staying there stagnant until they evaporate. What we need to do in this situation is look at the problems from the top area all the way to the bottom. So we start at the roof complex area on the top and work our way down from every deck level to the concrete. This next condo we're going to show you is a perfect example of where a purchase of a condo is primarily done by looking at the inside of the building and not the outside. Mending Homes is trained in identifying these building problems. This example we have here is that water is being trapped behind the walls of the stucco, and I mean every single floor. This can cause serious problems not only to the structure of the building, but it causes building rot and mold and moisture to stay behind that wall. When you're looking at a building, you should check the outside to make sure that all these cladding that they use on the building is actually functioning properly. As you can see from these pictures, the stud lines even show up, which means that there is a serious amount of water still in that building. What you need to do is look around and check the building. Mending Homes actually is certified in repairing these kind of problems that happen in condominiums. This building we restored in 2006. Mending Home completely stripped the building down to the bare bones and redesigned it so that the water actually diverts itself away from the building. All the drainage areas function well, and since 2006 they haven't had any leaks or problems or moisture getting into the building at all. This is an excellent building to look at from the outside inside and really holds its value. Thanks for coming out on the road trip today. It's just a few examples of Mending Homes expertise. If you have a water problem in your building or condo or townhouse for that matter, please give us a call, and our expertise and great knowledge of buildings will repair that water leak so it never happens again. Take care.